Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when projecting to this PC option is grayed out on your Windows 10 settings. So after updating the Windows to version 2004, I started facing this problem. So the projecting to this PC option was grayed out. So here you can see everything is grayed out. So if you are facing the same issue after updating the Windows 10 to version 2004, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix this, you can simply go to optional features. So here you can see optional features. So you can click on it and you can go to this window, or you can open Windows 10 setting, go to the start menu, then open settings, then click on apps and then click on optional feature over here. Click on it. Now once you click on it, click on add a feature and then go ahead and type in wireless display. So go ahead and type in wireless display in search box and wireless display will pop up. You have to go ahead and select wireless display, put a check over here, then click on install. Now this will take few minutes to install. So let the installation complete. Now once this is installed completely, here you can see it says installed. You can go ahead and close this window, then go to settings once again and then click on system, then click on projecting to this PC, and now everything is highlighted. Now you can go ahead and select the options. So this is how you can go ahead and enable projecting to this PC after updating your Windows 10 to version 2004. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.